Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on Hotwav Note 12. And to do this, first we'll need to find the SIM slot, which should be located on the left side of our phone. And now I'm just gonna remove the case. Then take the SIM ejection tool and stick it in the gap right here. It should release the slot, and inside we have a one SIM slot for sure. And there's actually dual SIM slot. One can be placed right here, another one next to it right here. But if you want to place the second card in this slot, that would mean you won't be able to insert SD card inside your device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.